Since 2004, Cobra Trading has been the trusted partner for elite active day traders, delivering sophisticated tools and unmatched support for over 20 years. Cobra offers multiple trading platforms, numerous order routing destinations, and extensive short locate inventories, all designed to give traders a competitive edge like no other broker. Our second-to-none customer service sets us apart. In-house licensed brokers are available instantly via phone or live chat with real humans, not bots. Cobra's support is fast, personal, and built for high-stakes trading moments. Cobra offers unparalleled order routing flexibility. Choose from direct market access, algo, or smart routes. Trade pre or even post-market with paid routes for top execution speeds, free routes for cost efficiency, or rebate routes to offset costs. There's a solution for every trading style. We are a short seller's home with one of the largest electronic locate sources, additional back-end inventories managed by our brokers, and free hard-to-borrow shares offered daily. We provide unmatched availability and trader-friendly pricing to give you the edge. Our transparent pricing with super competitive rates is tailored for active traders. Cobra Prime unlocks exclusive access to cutting-edge tools through partnerships, empowering traders at all levels. Ready to elevate your trading? Visit CobraTrading.com, call us, or start a live chat to join an award-winning broker today.